Now we're closing the inner leg seam. This is super simple. All you have to do is line up the legs down here. Right sides face each other, pin it. I would put one pin in the center here as well. And then the key is always to bring in the legs flat, and then where the gusset is, it feels like you're holding in stuff, but actually you aren't. It's just because it's on a curve, and a little bit like when you do a sleeve. Do it from the other side as well. Super. And then we're just going to ease this in here. Super. Pin it. I love this fabric actually, it's really nice. This is cotton and lycra, and that makes for a very comfy fabric. It's also organic, and again it is from Fabric Worm. I really love that company. Now we're going to start sewing in. Here we go. Around. And I think that a lot of you won't even pin this after a while, and I know that some of you are just sewing it on the overlocker, and that's also good. You could do that too. All the way down, lock in your stitches. Then you pop over to the overlocker, overlock it, and there you go. You have a wonderful leg with enough room for the napping.